Hi, Kathy here with Kathy's Cute Creations. Today I have my Sew Sampler monthly subscription quilty box. It seems that my box comes a little bit late compared to everybody else's because I noticed while I was watching a couple of YouTubes, some of the feeds that showed up were this box. So let me go ahead and get started. It just came Friday, I do believe. So of course here's what the box looks like. And it says Home Sweet Cottage. And on the back it is showing triangles on a roll. So I'm going to guess that that is in the box. Alright, let's see here. We have our little sticker to begin with. And they have a new book called Oh Scrap. New. And I guess those that have the quilty box can get it at 20% off. All Martindale books, including Oh Scrap. We've got our block of the block number 11, which is a basket block, and I believe I listened to somebody talk about this. I think they start them over in April each year, I think, but it gives you the directions on the back how to make it. You can make a 5.5, 10.5, or 15.5 unfinished squares to make this basket block. Okay, and here's the little pamphlet that tells you everything that's in the box and the prices. So first off, they've got Mama Cottage charm packs, and it looks like there's 2 in the box. These are those little 5-inch squares. So let's see here. If I can scoot it down a little bit, I could show it to you. I don't want to take it apart because it might be something I'm going to give away in the giveaway. Remember, when I get 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to have a giveaway. So some of the things in this box that I wouldn't use, and some other things that I have set aside that I've gotten that I won't use. Here we go. This way we can take a look at the fabric. Okay, it's pretty neat looking fabric. It's lots of different colors. Let's see, I got flowers. Let's see if I can just put a little bit down here. There's some stripes. And all these little things go together. Let's see if we can get a picture of that. And they usually have 2 of the same. That's got hearts. Normally it's like 2 little fabrics of the same, unless the line has got more in it. And this looks like it may have more. A lot of reds and pinks. Yeah, orange. Oh, it looks like it's repeated in the different colors. So those are in red, then they're in pink, now they're in this yellow here. Then they have it in orange. Let me see if I can get a couple. There we go, we got some yellow, like a yellow-orange color. Better picture there. Then you've got a light, really a light green. There's an orange. Makes me think of that, that Halloween candy. That's a white on white. You've got the green, see the green, the same thing. And the blue. So it's each different color in here. And then a little bit aqua color. Yeah, that's really, really nice. Anyway, so like I said, it's 2 packages of that. Let's see. There's 42 pieces each. And of course it's 100% cotton. Okay, and it does not say the price of it, so I don't know what that run. Oh, there it is. $19.96. It does say it. And then there is a mini simple folded corners ruler. It's got little directions in it. This is made by Doug, I think his last name is Lico, of Antler Quilt Design. Let's see if I can get it out of here. And there's what that looks like. Let me hold it up against this fabric right here. Give you a better idea. There we go. That's even better yet. And it's for making mini folded corners. So I guess like little mini quilts. Let's see. Oversized folded corners. Thought it said something about, oh, it says never draw a line for folded corners again. There are 7 different sizes. Use it with any pattern calling for a folded corner. Right and left-handed instructions. There's actually a free video on their website, and it says remarkably accurate. Great for mini quilts and anything with a 1/2 to 3 1/2 folded corners. Alrighty, and that ruler is $12. And next we have some oral thread, and this is Seabiscuit. That's the color of it. Sort of a little bit of an off-white, and that is $5.40. And then here is the 1/2 square triangles. It's 2-inch finish, the thing triangles that I was talking about earlier. There you go. And the funny thing is that I just saw a video about this. Somebody that I watch, her channel is called Quilt Roadies, and she was using it to make actually 1/2 square triangles because she had to make a whole bunch of them for a quilt that she had designed on her design wall. And she had run out of these, but she ordered them through another website that I've got some stuff through. And she said that, which I didn't really give this too much thought, but she said the paper was different and that she really liked it from the place that she had ordered it from. She said it was softer, so I think I'm going to try these out to see what they're like. And then here is a sample that you can, it looks like it's a table runner. I don't know how big the table is. I mean, it says the finished size is 22 1/2 by 40 1/2, and they used these little 5-inch square mini charm packs to make it. There's what that looks like. And then it gives you the directions on the inside. This is what it looks like when it's finished for your table. And they made some snowballs. This is what a snowball is. Right here. That's a snowball design. Teaches you how to make it, and that's what they've got on the quilt or the table runner. And so they show you how to do it in sections. Just like I was showing you how to do the block of the month for March. And so there's our book. And then it tells you what else you'll need if you do want to go ahead and make this table runner. Then you're going to need, in addition to these 2 little packages, you'll need 3/4 yard, 3/8 yard for the border, 3/8 yard for the binding, and 1 1/3 yards for the backing. And then it gives you ideas. I mean, if you want to make it exactly like they have it, they've got their little fabric right here so that you can, when you go to get it, you can ask for it. But in this case, I believe that every time one of these boxes has such a distraction. Every time they have a pattern to make, they always have the finishing kit that you can purchase. And that's everything in the box. And right now, the only thing that I know for a fact that I'm going to use in this box is going to be these pieces of paper to make these triangles. I don't know about anything else. I'll have to look at it. I'll go ahead and get online and find out a little bit about this ruler to see if I want to keep it or not. I'm not sure. I probably will not keep the charm packs. They'll probably be one of my giveaways. So until next month, bye-bye. Thanks for watching.